If you can make $1 online, you can make $2. If you can make $2, you can make $5. You can make $5, you can make $10. If you can make $10, you can make $100, and so forth and so on. Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $1 every single day with a website that I'll be showing you in just a few seconds. And the reason is quite simple. If you can make $1, you'll be able to multiply it to whatever amount that you want. And the way I'm going to show you, I'll make it so simple such that you'll be making $1 in the quickest time, as quick as possible. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And by the way, I'll be creating a Facebook group whereby I'll be allowing you to also chat up with me if you have any questions. All right, so the first thing you want to do is come to Google and search for Link Collider. Okay, Link Collider, you want to search for it. Okay, if you don't want to do this, I'll leave a link in the description which you can just go to and click on the link. One of the viewers mentioned it to me that I usually don't give links, so you can just search for you can go to the description and you'll find a link to Link Collider. So what you want to do is click on this link that appears on Google if you search on Google, or just use the link in the description and it will bring you to this website known as Link Collider. Okay, so when you look at this website, what you see is that it's showing that Link Collider is a free social media advertising platform. And for real, it is indeed a social media advertising platform. And I'm sure you might be wondering how you can make money with it. So don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. Okay, so what happens is that Link Collider allows you to market your YouTube channel, your Pinterest post, your Instagram, your WordPress post, your Twitter, also your Blogspot and your Facebook. You can get thousands of likes using this website. However, that's not the goal of this video. What I want you to do is, if you don't have an account, or if you have an account, what I want you to do is click the Get Started option. And when you click the Get Started option, Link Collider will take you to the registration page where you have to create an account. And creating an account is quite easy. All you have to do, choose a nickname, enter your email, choose a password, and confirm you're not a robot. Or just simply, if you have a Gmail account, just click login with Gmail. Or if you have a Facebook account, just log in with Facebook. So once you log in, you'll be taken to this website. This is inside the Link Collider website. Okay, so now what you see here, what you're seeing on the dashboard, probably you won't have it because you have a new account. What I want you to do is to pay attention to the top part here of Link Collider where it says website, tokens, upgrade, free member. Now here on the left side, you see where it says earn money. So that's where you're going to click, where it says earn money. All right, so when you see here where it's saying earn money, Link Collider says URL shortener that pays you. And indeed, yes, this is a URL shortener that pays you. What it means is that you'll be shortening links with Link Collider. Okay, so don't worry, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. And this is what Link Collider says. For every link that you shorten, Link Collider will be paying you $1 as commission, and that dollar will be sent to your PayPal account. So all you have to do is that you need to come to this you need to connect. First of all, to get paid, make sure you connect your PayPal account, because Link Collider only pays you through PayPal, unfortunately. So if PayPal is not available in your country, just check for a video on my channel which shows you how to create a PayPal account if your country is not supported to have a PayPal that receives money. All right, so you're going to come to this the bottom part. What you can see here is my PayPal, which is connected. Now you're going to come here where it says enter URL, and this is the part where you're going to enter a URL. Now you don't need to enter any URL that is out there. What you need to do, you need to find something that people are interested in, and this is the most important part. So what I'm going to do, let's say for example, I'm going to go back to YouTube and I'm going to search for, maybe let's say, a video that I know my friends would be interested in. And the advantage is that Link Collider does not care where your viewers are coming from, where your where the people that are watching the videos are coming from, who is visiting the link. They won't mind about that. All you have to do, if you have even your friends, or you have a video that you know is trending, a music video, or just go on YouTube, try to find something that is interesting, and maybe let's say okay, I'm looking for a song by, okay, this is just for example, for demonstration purposes, so you can see this is a trailer, Eternals, or whatever. Oh, this is a video by Graham Stephan. So I'm just, let's say, going to click this. Okay, now I'm just going to mute it so that I don't get a copyright strike. Okay, and I'm going to pause it. So what you're going to do is to copy the link by clicking the share. Okay, share video, and let's say you're going to copy the link of the video. You can copy it from your browser, or you can copy it just here. So I'm going to copy this link. Once you copy that link, you're going to go back to Link Collider, and you're going to paste it here. Once you paste that link, you're going to click on shorten and end. So once you click shorten and end, just watch this. Okay, so you can see this link has been shortened. Okay, so once that link has been shortened, it will appear here on the shortened links. Okay, it will appear here on the shortened links. So you just need to copy that link. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link, the shortened link. So what will happen is that now this link is the link you need to share with your friends. So you need to share it either with friends, with anyone, or even people you don't know. So now you can share it on almost all social media platforms that are out there. So what I can advise you is that join as many groups on Facebook. You can go to Facebook and join as many groups as possible on Facebook. You can go to Instagram, you can go to Twitter, join groups there. You can go to Quora and share your links. But of course, don't just share your links anyhow. Make sure that you are sharing the links in a group where you know that those people will be interested in that group. So for example, let's say the group I'm sharing it is related to finance. Okay, so I can say investing and finance. You just have to look for that group or something that is related to the video you are sharing. So I'm going to look for such a group, and in that group we're going to join that group and just share those links. Okay, and each time people are visiting your links, Link Collider will be paying you $1. So you'll be able to make $1 for every 500 unique visitors. Of course, you'll be able to make that. So let's start with this method. Make that $1, and please, if you make that $1, drop a comment in the comment section below when you do manage to do it, so that you can inspire others to also take action. Thank you very much. Hope this video was helpful, and looking forward to hearing that you've managed to make $1, and we can proceed to the next method. Thank you.